So, why advertise online? Well, many ways to answer the question, but the answer I really like is 1 billion. Because late in 2006, the internet odometer turned over and the number of folks using the internet exceeded 1 billion. That's 25% or a little more of the entire population of the planet. Now, those 1 billion people make about 600 million searches a day. Yahoo, Google, etc. About half of those searches are in the United States. So that's about 300 million a day, which happens to be very close to the U.S. population of 300 million. So that means on average, there is one search per person per day on the internet, just in the USA. Now, around 60% of those searches involve research or reference information. They're in the educational realm. The other 40% are commercial, and those are the ones we're interested in. 40% of 300 million is 120 million commercial searches a day in the United States on the internet. Now, if we're just talking about Philadelphia, where the population is 3 million, that means there's approximately 3 million searches a day coming from folks in Philadelphia. 1.2 million of those would be commercial. Now, 1.2 million commercial searches a day, that's an awful lot of folks looking for commercial services in Philadelphia every day. About 95% of those searches are conducted on the top 3 and 4 search engines, being Google, Yahoo, MSN, and AOL. So if you can get yourself listed near the top of the relevant search terms for the top search engines, which is often neither hard or expensive to do for folks with the right experience, you should be able to gather leads for far less money than you could ever do in print advertising.